And that's it. I'm going to show you how to fix automatically date and time grayed out. So if you're trying to change your date on your iPhone, and you will see that the time and date is automatically grayed out just like this. So you can only control the 24 hours time or 12 hours time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix set automatically grayed out on your iPhone, which stops you from changing your iPhone date or time manually on your device. So the first thing you want to do here is this: return back to the iPhone settings and click on screen time. On the screen time page, just scroll down and click on change screen time passcode. Once you hit screen time passcode, you'll see two options here. The first option to change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode. So click on turn off screen time passcode. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Go ahead and type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Once you tap that, then the iPhone screen time settings will change to low screen time settings. Now come back to your iPhone settings and click on general. Once you tap general, click on date and time, and there you go. You should see the set automatically feature turned off on your iPhone. You can now turn off and turn on the set automatically on your iPhone. So if you found this really helpful, if you want to level up, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.